Alright, yeah, honestly, just give me info on how the stream's doing. Because I'm just straight up, I'm not even watching my chart right now. I know on my stream it shows I have a chart on my screen, but I have OBS full screen right now and I'm just staring at the settings. We're getting this fixed today, damn it. Yo, what's up, Zeke? How you doing, man? Yeah, sorry guys. I'm honestly not even focused on charts right now. I'm just gonna stare at the settings. I'm staring at this for another hour. I'm gonna be here for an hour just staring at settings. You see DE? Why do I have DE on my screen? Oh, I know why. Because I'm looking at that for a swing, but we haven't gotten it yet. I'll leave it on SPY. They faked the inside bar, and then they held it, and now they're going up again. So they're probably just trapping for liquidity to take this higher. So you're probably going to see today's open at least. Yeah, it seems fine now, but I'm not getting ahead of myself. I'll let y'all watch SPY. I'm just honestly staring at my KBPS, my drop frames, my CPU percentage usage, my frames, all that stuff. I just said frames twice. That's pretty cool though. So I updated my OBS. There's a setting in there where it says I can stream my screen and it not show like the recording software I'm using. Right now I have it on my screen and y'all can't even see it. It hides it from its own self. It's weird how that works. But I thought that was pretty cool. Oh, my bad. Y'all probably want music, don't y'all? Oh, no, not that one. We'll do that one. Yeah, sorry guys about the... I mean, I'm probably more annoyed than any of you guys are, but it's crazy how that keeps messing to us. Because, like, y'all saw, like, there was no issues with the stream. And then as soon as I got, like, 80, 90 people in here, it just starts cutting out. So what I'm doing now is I updated OBS. I went to the settings. I adjusted the bitrate a little bit lower. I fixed some of the settings to be a little bit more aimed towards performance over quality. And then I did something else. What did I do? I did one more thing. I can't remember. For anybody who doesn't pay for a membership, by the way, you guys can look at the trade floor. D-Touch just shared some of the information from the weekly watch list. If you guys want to check that out, that's for free right there. Entered calls in the bullish engulfing highs volume. Ooh, nice. D-Touch. Clear plan. The market makers are tired of us winning. No, I'm only doing an unlisted stream right now because I'm not even staring at my chart right now. I'm genuinely staring at OBS settings because I haven't dropped a single frame. It's used less of my GPU, which is what we want. And we're still streaming at 60 frames a second, which is exactly what I want because I don't want to drop down to 720. I want to keep the 1080 frames. So far, so good. We've dropped 0 frames in the 9.5 minutes we've been streaming on the stream. I'm just tired of this happening. No, you're good, fool. I know you're messing around. I'm just annoyed with how it keeps happening. Because I know my shit's fine. I know my internet's fine. But it's whatever. SPY's still flat, so it's not like I'm missing anything. You're trying to read the tape. Have you practiced that yet? I would go over the tape more if that's something you're going to start utilizing, Mel. It is effective, but you just got to know how to use it correctly. Like flushing. Like flushing is probably the greatest way you need to read the tape. when they skip numbers. Is the stream still fine? You guys are still not experiencing any kind of lag whatsoever? On my end, it says you're not, but you know. Honestly, for the next hour and 4 minutes, I'm just going to be sitting here making sure it's not lagging. Therefore, I know for the rest of eternity, I don't have to worry about this again. No lag. Market is very well managed. Everything up and down. Seems clean, still good. Stream is fresh. Okay, good, good, good. I'm just tired of dealing with it. I just want to get this done. Which it looks like I fixed the problem, but I thought that last time too. See everything. Seems it's good. Okay, good. Good, good, good. It doesn't look like I'm missing anything crazy on the market today. We did, IWM did exactly what we were saying though. I'll go back to that chart real quick. It is still holding. AMD recovered pretty well. Tesla's still holding, even though they look like they want to break down. Microsoft still under good supports, could still break down. Alright, let's edit the stream. Let's make this public. Let's try this again. Alright, share the stream link around, please. It helps me a lot, because I don't know how other people are going to realize the stream's back on. I just realized the other day, most of you actually pay attention to the streams that come on from YouTube. I didn't realize that. I thought most of you came from straight up Twitter and Discord, but it's actually the other way around. Twitter and Discord are the smaller crowd. Our YouTube crowd is huge. Daffy posted an EXPE update on the Game Plan and Levels channel if anybody wants to look in there who is part of that play. Some people are going to be like, oh, he just did that so he could promote his kick. Like, no. You have no idea. AMD new high of day. Great call out by Sinful. Yeah, that was an alright call out, Sinful, I guess. Yo, can anyone... I can't share the stream link. This is so weird. It's not letting me share it on my bot. I think it's because I started the stream as a private stream. Huh. Weird. Alright, whatever. Let's see how OBS is doing. 0 frames dropped. I think that's what it was. I think I just needed to lower my bitrate and adjust a couple things and update my OBS. Huh. Who would have thunk? Thank you, Simple. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm not joking though. As soon as I saw the stream say 99 people, I was like, oh, this is about to start lagging. But yeah, should be fine now. I'll quit talking about it. Spy 30-minute long wicks off of the 50550 level. Great update by Mike. Carter said, mental trade on AMD. Retest of current day open. Just broke current day high. Great call out, Carter. Kick is for bag getters. It honestly is. Updates are awful. If you don't do it, it breaks everything. If you do it, it breaks every. Dude, literally, yeah, that's me. I hate updates. Carvana's up 11%. That is nuts. Thank you, VC. Thank you. Thank you guys for letting me know what's up with the stream and stuff. I don't take it personal. Like, if you guys tell me something's happening, just let me know. I would prefer to know the truth rather than feeling good about myself. Don't forget to re-like the stream, BB Squad. Yeah, don't even trip, guys. If you're too lazy, don't even trip. Let's just focus on the market. We've started and stopped too many streams today. Damn. The trade floor callouts are crazy, man. Alexis called out 100 Moderna calls for March 1st. D-Touch ended up getting into the same exact play except to get a 98 call, and he's up 47%. Or no, that's up 47%. His play is up 20%. My bad. Yo, insane movement. Good stuff, D-Touch, and great job, Alexis. I love seeing you guys post your plays and not just seeing them work out. It's not really about seeing it work or not. It's just like, again, getting that before, the during, the after, that full effect I tell you all about. Like, you don't really learn a whole lot if you're just randomly taking trades. You can't really repeat that, right? But you can repeat something that you talked about beforehand, that you took as a live trade, and that you reviewed. Because now you have the full effect of the before, the during, the after. You know, you have the whole story, all the context you need in the world. And yeah, guys, I keep wanting to go back to SPY to watch with you guys, but honestly, I don't want to. It's just kind of building base right now. Same as SPX, but nothing crazy. Q is actually like a lot better. Tech looks a lot better because they're holding a better base area, but this is the tech chart on its own, and you can see they've actually broken under 20520s twice today. Tesla is potentially leaving this old supply. Could be seeing this pull back a lot more towards that 200 mark. So almost a $2 move underneath. Fool just said Amazon looking cute. Oh, it does have some nice wick ups on it, a lot. If the market curls back up, or if the XLY sector curls back up, this is in a really good spot. Oh, IWM new high day. Yes. I hate that you guys didn't get that retest, though. I would have loved to have seen that dip a little bit more for you guys, but whatever. What's up? How's everyone doing today? How are you all doing? I know I've been bouncing back and forth with all the stream errors and stuff, but how are you guys doing this morning? Enough about me, more about you. How are you doing this morning? We got over 40 people in here. Thank you guys again for rejoining after all the problems. How's everyone's trading going? How are you doing mentally? How are you doing outside of trading? It doesn't have to just be about trading, of course. If you want to make it about trading, though, so be it. Woke up early, ready to trade, and blank from code. Can I put the volume up, please? On the music or my voice? I can't really do much about my voice. Yeah, it's up as much as I can. This is the normal volume it's at. If it's quiet for you, you need to turn yours up. This is the same volume it's always been. Rivian trying to retake 11. Where is Rivian at? I mean, I know you just said 11, but I meant like on the chart. Where are they sitting? Okay, they're still under that new low. We talked about this last week. Because I'm actually kind of interested in Rivian, honestly. Like, it's kind of crazy to see them holding new lows. I'll keep watching that. Minecraft in code. I mean, that's pretty cool. You're coding, man. I got a lot of funny, well, they don't think they're funny, but a lot of funny friends that are into coding. It's funny, like, I always used to think of them as, like, these big geniuses, and then they truly taught me the dark reality of coding. And I was like, wow. He's like, you do have to be a genius. You just have to also be a crazy genius, because it's not just like, oh, let me type my own code. Like, no, a lot of coding is actually, like, taking other code and combining it together and fixing it and, like, patching it up a little bit. At least from what they've shown me. And it's pretty funny. Because I used to always think, like, everything they typed was theirs, you know? And then they showed me, like, no, like, you go find functions or different things people have done, and you can copy them or see if people are better than you at coding. Because everyone's always got something else. But he said half of coding is copy-pasting. Copy-pasting and reading and making sure everything is correct and just going. I'm like, damn, dude, that is way too much for me. Genius or not, that's a lot of work. Coding, copy paste plus tailor to your needs. What's up, Alquin? How you doing, man? That's another OG. You see a lot of Rivians in South California. Why do I keep wanting to say Carolina? You heard what NVIDIA CEO said recently? No, I did not. I want to see. Shit ton of Rivians, but they lost money on every single one. So far. You gotta remember who's backing Rivian, though. Big trades on the puts from what I am seeing. Doing great. How about you? I'm doing alright, man. Thank you for asking. Before Stack Overflow and Google, now Chat GPT and coffee. He's like, man, my world's just revolving around me. Everything's changing. Chat GPT and coffee. That's funny. One day, yeah, one day. Maybe. We'll see. It's pretty ugly trading, guys. I'm not going to lie. I know this is pretty tedious, but you actually had an inside bar break to the upside. From there, you had price crack back down, but not break anything. There's a big trap for bears. And then at the same time, it's like a trap for bulls because of how much time it's taking and probably pushing a lot of people out of their trades. Patience. But I'm not going to lie. Bulls are still holding this. As ugly as this looks, bulls are still holding this. Which is crazy, because they're at the point of no return on both this chart and this chart. How long has Snap been unprofitable? Yeah, that's true too. That's a good answer. Cause yeah, like you could be a great company like Snapchat where you're still losing money, but it's like, yeah, but they have, you know, literally millions of users, record-breaking user numbers, which is crazy. Because I feel like if you have a company that powerful, you should be able to flip it to be profitable, even on accident. Like you should be able to cut corners and make money on a company like that. A company that's bringing in millions of users. I'd have to go find that chart Leland sent, but it literally shows how the Snapchat users have only gone up since their creation, and even to this day, you know, they haven't died one bit. They've only grown. yet they are still not making money, which is crazy. Leland said something like, "No need to learn to code. Everyone can be a programmer thanks to AI." Nvidia really doubling down on it, which that's cool though. I mean, that's not a bad future to head towards. That should be information that's, you know, easier to apply for your average person. Shouldn't have to go to school or to all kinds of things to learn that stuff. But I mean, that's pretty powerful. But you know damn well why Nvidia said it. Funny fact: Snap and Rivian are at the same price. No way. That's actually kind of funny. I remember for a while there when it was either Apple and Tesla or Apple and someone, but I remember there were two stocks that were lined up at the same price, and it was just so confusing for a while. Nvidia is now Nvidia. I can't even say that, but you guys can read Sinful's comment. That was a genius comment. I'm going to pin that one, actually. We're going to tweet that and make it seem like it's our original thought, when in reality it was Sinful's original thought. I'm famous as... Yeah, Sinful has this, like, energy around him where he's like, or this persona where he's like a famous person, but he's not famous yet. Like, he hasn't blown up to being famous, but you definitely know he's got, like, that famous kind of vibe to him. I've already got enough shares, Mike. You're making me want more. I'd love to see someone try and do this without knowing how to apply search algorithms. ML models are no easy thing to understand either. I don't even know what you're saying right now, fool, so there you go. Let's see how it reacts to the previous low at 11 and change. 100% Sinful. Should have a TV show. Oh, 100%. That'd be a great show. They'd be like, damn, this guy eats like 5 times a day. They'd be like, damn, this guy doesn't sleep. He's TikTok famous without actually being famous. Nvidia in Spanish is jealousy. That's more where I was thinking too, than what Leland just said. He's like, or even knowing what prompt to give an AI to generate half decent code, because I've seen videos where they show people like, look, ask it this, like, okay, ChatGPT, help me code this. Okay, but by me asking it that way, I'm now limiting it to only giving me certain amounts of information. But if I ask it a certain way, hey, ChatGPT, can you help me code this aspect of this, blah, 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 and then in a 2-part question, ask it how to code the other part, or, you know, however you want to destroy the problem there, but break it up, right? Break it up and then beat it up, right? And that's the part that I don't think people understand is, like, if you ask ChatGPT or AI something, you're going to get certain answers. If you ask it in a more broken down fashion, you're probably going to get a way better answer. And there's also different ways of asking it that the AI is coded to remember, okay, I need to say this, say that, say this. So, like what Leland just said, like the prompts are probably the most important thing when using AI as a tool, because that is what gets you your answers. That is what gets you where you're going. And sometimes you're going to get there a lot slower than someone else who might know how to use the prompts a lot better, or knows how to actually talk to the AI correctly, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm wording this all insanely horrible, but you know what I'm saying. The prompts are very, 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 very important. Because I've even seen videos where they literally show you someone trying to do the same thing, like two people doing the same thing, but one person will ask it one way, one person will ask it the other, and then one person gets like a 600 times like way better answer than the other person who asked it in a not as great way. And it's literally just the prompt. So no, not anyone can just become like I hate that the things are being marketed that way. Like anyone could become a coder, anybody could become a programmer. Yeah, anyone could, but they're not going to because of this exact problem. You can reverse look up a prompt though. No, I know, but I'm just saying people don't know that though. Like your average person is not going to know about prompts. They're not going to even know what the hell that even is. That's my issue with it. Damn, nobody liked your tweet. Sinful, that sucks. It looks like a slow breakdown is happening, guys. I mean, they are just ever so slightly taking this over and over and over again with sellers. But ChatGPT can't tell you what kinds of armored vehicles are being destroyed in the current Russian offensive. I'm the king of Twitter. Here we go again. Sorry guys, I was typing. ES 5076 has been a tough one today. 100% Alcuin. They've been having a tough problem with these little supports we keep forming today. Which Tech's reacting to a pretty clean area, but Spy is kind of like breaking it, not breaking it, not breaking it, not. Almost like reestablishing what this support's supposed to look like. Bulls are tired. I think everyone's tired. I wouldn't be surprised if this dumps just because the more lower highs it's created now. But at the same time, this is kind of the story of the day. They've broken, not broken, not broken, not broken, not. They're really having a problem with 50550. Might have to almost include this. We can delete all this crap. I was just wanting to display the inside bar. Alright, OBS, let's check this. It's been 37 minutes, almost 38 minutes. We've CPU looking good, frames looking good, drop frames 0%. KBPS is fine. Alright, it looks like my stream settings are back to normal. Shouldn't have to worry about lagging ever again, or at least for now. Good. I'm glad we got that fixed. I almost just walked away from my screen, but I wanted to make sure I had this fixed because I want to stream the rest of the week. I want to stream the whole week. Bloodline 50550 is and will be. Bulls went to lunch early. Seems like it. Yo, you want to see something funny, Leland? This guy right here. Funny story about this guy. This guy right here. Oh, where'd he go? Him? He's probably the most wild one. So, Bill Gates' homie. I don't remember his name because it's not important. But this guy right here said that iPhones were never going to work. He said they were never going to make money from it. It was never going to help their company. All that stuff. And then the company does great. He says, I don't know why they would do phones. They need to stick to doing this and that and this and that. And then the iPhone came out and all that stuff. And, I mean, the rest is history now. But, yeah. That's funny. I'd have to go find that video. But, yeah, if you find a video on that one, it's pretty good. Here, let me just find it. Which old Microsoft? Oh, here it is. That was in 2007. Steve Ballmer. Oh, look. It even shows the picture of him doing some dances. But yeah, this is the guy. Jesus Christ, man. What's all these pop-ups? Windows Phone and Zune did great. Ballmer. Yeah, the Windows phones. Yep. Because at that time, he said Windows was selling more products than Apple. And then all that happened. It's just jokes on him because of his opinion. I mean, clearly the man's still going to be rich. Yeah, at that time, he was CEO of Microsoft. At that time, Ballmer was. He owns the Clippers. Damn, that's actually a good team to own. What a loser, only worth 122 billion. Yeah, right. What a loser, bro. Try harder. No, that is an insane amount of money. That's why I'm not attacking his character. I'm just attacking his opinion. His opinion in 2007 was very, very, very off. But he was also the CEO of Microsoft. And, you know, I mean, it's probably tactics, if anything. But it was just funny how that works. And now you see how big iPhone is. iPhone is merely just one product of this company now. This company, under our, you know, country, it's funny how this one company is worth more than other countries. Just the market cap of one of our companies is worth more than other countries as a whole. Apple's worth more than the United Kingdom. I typed SPY, lower highs under today's open still, but no follow through yet. I do agree that bears are in control on the intraday time frame, but they're just not getting any follow through under this 505.50. You can see the amount of wicking action we've seen, but I do like this for a potential drop still. It is still under today's open, so by rules, by order of operations, I am short-term bearish. Until I see a retake or a better hold. I love the amount of basing holding this area, but it just still isn't anything. There's still nothing holding this. We're breaking levels left and right. It's just not getting any follow through, so it doesn't look that great. England blew a 13 colony lead. I hear Balmer likes gap fills. Are they about to pull this down after I just finished talking about it? Let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. You could even say that's one of them, but I'm going to count 4. 4 decent bounces so far. I guess you could say this is the 5th. So rule of 5 is right here. I think we're about to break down finally. And if not, this is going to be the dip that holds and buys back up to today's open. If they don't break right here, they're going to today's open, which is 506.69. I totally put earbuds in to listen to music and didn't turn anything on. Is that really Ryan? Was I wrong on mine? Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. Oh, no, I'm not. What the hell? Wait, what chart did I mark that on? Oh, I guess I just didn't. Okay. Well, shit. Let's fix that. Alright, so the PML is... Wait a minute. Ryan, you might be right. Ah, good job, Ryan. That was like a trick question in itself. Good stuff. You are correct. 505.46 is the PML. PMH is 507.01. Good job. I was looking to see if you were wrong or not. I wasn't trying to like contradict you or anything. Just because a lot of people always get that wrong when they don't look at the times right, and then they mark the it's like most people mark this, and that's just so incorrect. It's crazy. Now you might think like, oh, it's only 20 cents, but yeah, but that's a massive move on the 1 minute when you're scalping. 20 cents is a lot of profits. Mine's always off, but let's go. Good job, Ryan. That was spot on. And thank you for finding that. That's honestly better to mark than me just saying, oh, we're holding the same low. I should have honestly had that marked. I think I deleted it because so this morning I was drawing on this chart on accident, and then I went to this one to fix it, and I think I forgot to re-add that PML. But thank you for that. Very clean. Because, yeah, I know that's a way better reason than just saying 505.50. No, we got PML right there. That's simple enough. How you doing, Alexis? Alright, so everybody, what is the game plan from here on? You're basically looking for a break of PML, a hold of PML, and push over 506s could be a good sign for buyers. A push to today's open could be a good sign for buyers. Making sure everybody understands that. On the bigger time frame, go to the daily. The game plan is still set. If you use a fib going from the recent high to the point of slowdown at the recent high, high to high, we're basically seeing a massive bullish move here. Hold is a bullish flag until we see a crack under the golden pocket and control point. So far, we have a crack under the control point and a retest away from it. Right now, what we're looking for is a break under the golden pocket. So that's what this looks like on the smaller time frames. Yesterday, we sold off from it. Today, we opened up here, slightly higher open, instantly pulled us back down into range. And right now, we're just kind of battling this as well as the PML, which Ryan just went over with us. So that's basically what we're focused on right now. Moderna's flying. Good. But guys, I think I'm going to end the stream there. Sorry for all the stream problems today, but I'm happy to see that we fixed it, resolved it, all that good stuff. Tomorrow should be a lot smoother from beginning to end instead of us switching and stuff. So hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Please focus on the levels. Please focus on some of the TA that we went over. If you ever feel yourself just kind of out of place, just ask questions. Reach out, talk out into the chat. Somebody will, or somebody should, not calm you down. It's not anybody else's job to calm you down, but to give you a sense of just direction, you know, and that's really what our chat is about. It's just a sense of direction. Nobody in here is going to tell you that you're going to be famous or you're going to be rich, but I'll tell you one thing. You will definitely be a lot more consistent. You'll definitely have a sense of direction, and you'll feel a little bit more consistent in terms of routine. Maybe not getting rich, but you'll definitely be a lot more consistent and a lot more calm. And generally, that's what all of you should be doing right now, is building up your routine, making sure you're marking your levels the same way every day, cleaning them up at the end of the day or the next morning so you can be ready for that next market session. And just small stuff like that, you know, reviewing, visualizing as much as you possibly can. Like, the visualization practice is crazy. You need to be doing that every single time you look at a chart, honestly. But thank you guys again. Thank you, Ryan, Carter VC, Susan, Elisa, Sinful VC, everybody, Fool. I can't even name everybody. Love you all. But thank you guys again. I'll see you guys later on. Tune into the Discord if you guys just want to post some charts or just kind of talk to each other in there and message each other. I'll try to drop some updates as well as some of the guys. But I'll see you guys later on. Thank you guys again. Love you all.